All right, when it comes to vehicle wraps, we get lots of questions. How much does a vehicle wrap cost? How good is the warranty that you guys offer? But the most important thing that we don't get asked enough is what kind of design is gonna make my business really pop once it's on my vehicle. So our job here is to marry a good business that has a strong brand, that offers good products. We're gonna marry those together and make a really effective vehicle wrap. So here we have a vehicle wrap that's been designed that had some really good branding. I wanna touch base on a couple key elements that really makes this vehicle wrap stand out and is gonna make lots of visual impressions while it's driving up and down the roads here. So the first thing I would say is it has a very powerful logo and brand. It's done professionally. It's very bold colors and bold fonts that's gonna be able to be seen from a distance. A nice phone number, it's telling the people, how do you wanna contact them? We want you to contact us through our phone number right there. And then at the bottom, obviously you see that has the website down there. A couple other features with it. It has more of a very construction and handyman feel to it with the three guides on the side. There's no doubt this vehicle wrap is going to turn a lot of heads and create lots of good positive visual impressions for this company. So remember, when getting a vehicle wrap, it's about your brand. You can see here that your focus is right on the branding of this vehicle. The other parts are there and they're important, they're key elements, but the main focus has to be on the name of your business, your branding. That brand is going to give the people the confidence to come to you and call you for your services. So remember, it's all about the brand. It doesn't matter how good the installation is or how good the wrap shop is. If your design isn't good, your wrap's not good.